Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. I'm really excited about today's video. You guys can see by the title, I'm going to be doing a Shein haul. So the reason I'm going to be doing a swimsuit haul, I'm nervous about that because I'm putting my body out there on the internet and this is the only place you're going to see that, okay? And it's PG. I'm going to rate this PG. Okay, so I'm going to be going on my first solo trip. This is going to be to Hawaii, and this is for my birthday. I'm excited, nervous to travel alone, but you know what? That is something I have to embrace. Like, I love doing things alone, and I am completely fine with being alone. Like, I am so in touch with myself now, and I trust in God that He's going to protect me on this trip. Okay, so we got some cute swimsuits that I can't wait to show you guys. Let's go ahead and jump into today's review and try on.
No, I'd rather be waking up with you. Set up alone in your room, slept with the light on, waiting up for you. I don't wanna be.
I guess most of these swimsuits would be mommy pouch approved. Okay, because I'm not very comfortable showing my belly because I have had 2 kids and I do have very light colored stretch marks, you know. And then I also have that little pouch that I just can't get rid of at the gym, but I also can't let go of eating tacos. So here we are making this one-piece bathing suit try on. I have a 2-piece in here too, so you'll just have to wait and watch the entire video. So, bathing suit number 1. Let's take a look at this one. This one is called the two-tone one-shoulder one-piece swimsuit, and this one is only $12. I was obsessed with the color, and I'm like, I need a pink swimsuit for my birthday, and this one, I seen amazing reviews on it, and I'm like, that one's going in my cart. It does have some padding in the chest area, so you won't be able to see the little nipples. Kind of, you will. My nipples kind of show through a little bit, but you get some padding on there, and I do like the back side of this. The color is so perfect. It looks exactly like it does on the website. I ordered most of these swimsuits in a size medium. I think they're all size medium. I was honestly in between a medium and small. I couldn't decide, but I'm like, you know what? I'm gonna just trust myself and just go with medium because I also don't want something to be so tight that it just like squeezes at my butt cheeks and like you can see all the cellulite, you know what I mean? Not gonna happen. Yeah, I am so in love with this swimsuit, you guys. I can't wait to get some good pictures over in Hawaii in this cute little one piece. If you guys have any advice on solo traveling, I would really appreciate it down below in the comments. I'm nervous, I'm excited, I'm all the emotions. I'm turning 31. We have been on YouTube almost, not really almost a decade. Yeah, more like closer to a decade than 5 years, so growing up. We're growing up together. Let's move on to the next bathing suit. Bathing suit number 2. This one is called the Not Front Cut Out one-piece swimsuit, and it retails for $11.99 on the website. Like, that price to me is shocking because these are very expensive swimsuits in stores. Okay, this one is probably not my favorite swimsuit because it emphasizes my muffin top. Like, I feel like it looks bigger in this area right here. Yeah, I feel like I look pregnant a little bit. I do like the top area though. It lifts my girls pretty nice, and I feel like they're secure in there. If you have bigger boobs, I don't know if this would fit you. I'm like a C cup, and yeah, I it looks nice on my boobies. But if you have a D, I don't know if they're gonna fit there, girl. The back, I do like it, but it also emphasizes my back fat, like my love handles. Those, yeah, this is gonna go back. I'm gonna return this one. I love the color though. It's really beautiful. Trying to convince myself that I might want to keep it, that I might lose weight. But for now, I think I'm gonna return it because, yeah, my trip is right around the corner. Now we're gonna look over at this one here. It's called the Color Block Ring Linked Halter one-piece swimsuit, and this one also retails for $11.99. It is a two-tone color, and I was like, okay, it looks really cute. I'll remind you guys again that I ordered all these swimsuits in a size medium. I love the front of this. It looks extremely sexy. I am a big fan of how it makes my girls look, honestly. It does have the openings on the side, and this one fit me really good. I'm so glad that I got this in a medium. I think it was like spot on with the size. I am 4'11", keeping that in mind, and I am also 126 pounds currently. My chest is a C cup, and yeah, this is how this one fits me. The back, I'm working on my back fat, but yeah, it looks really good. I'm really happy with this bathing suit. I think I'm definitely keeping this one, and this one might be going with me to Hawaii. Okay, this one I think is the fourth bathing suit that we've reviewed. Fifth? Oh no. Anyways, this one is called the All Over Print Ring Linked Halter One Piece Swimsuit, and this one is only $12. I really loved the summery colors. I am also going on another trip in the summertime, so I'm like, okay, let me just maybe get this one too. But you guys let me know, should I take this one over to Hawaii? I did realize that I tied this incorrectly. I didn't tie it like the model did on the website. So I'm definitely going to try it on again. Unfortunately, I didn't do so for this video. So yeah, you guys will definitely see it again over on my Instagram. Make sure you guys follow me over there. I will have all of my social media platforms linked down below. You guys can see you can cross it over like the model, or you can wear it like I did. And I do like the colors of this. I think it's perfect for summertime. Here is the back side of it. I am definitely comfortable in this one. All of these swimsuits are stretchy. They are the thicker material, so very comfortable. I think that if I cross it over like the model, it's going to bring in the girls together really nicely. I have another swimsuit, I'm going to show you what I mean, where I do have to actually cross the swimsuit like this, except that I felt like when you cross it over this way, it kind of like chokes me. But sometimes I don't mind being choked. Anyway, let's move on to the next one. This one here is called the Plain Contrast Mesh One Shoulder One Piece Swimsuit, and this one is only $9 with 48 cents. Mind blown. I just needed a black swimsuit, and if you don't have one, this is probably the one you're gonna have to grab. Black slims you down, and that's why I got it. But you're gonna see why this one's my favorite in just a little bit. So let's take a look at what it looks like on the model before I show you what it looks like on me. It does have that mesh in the front, so you can still see a little bit of the tummy without seeing all of it, you know. I don't know, this is honestly sexy. So let's see what it looks like on me. The thick material, it's stretchy, it's very comfortable. I'm glad I got this one in a size medium. You guys can see that it is see-through in the mesh part, obviously. And it does have the padding inside of the chest area. The back is what I love. This one is definitely cheeky. You can see a little bit more of your bum, and I'm not mad at that, TBH. This one I'm not so sure that I'm gonna take it to Hawaii, only because I feel like I would wear this to my other trip instead. Let's go ahead and look at the Color Block Ring Link. Hold on. Let me start all over. Color Block Ring Linked One Shoulder One Piece Swimsuit, which retails for $10.99. I thought it looked really beautiful on the model, and it hides the area where I wanted it to, so I definitely ordered this one. Let's take a look at what it looks like on me. The side, I love it so much. And it hides my back fat. So what I did not like was the back side of it. I don't like how it emphasizes my love handles again. This one I'm definitely going to be returning it. Yeah. And then when I sit down, like it just, I don't know. I'm not sold on this one. But here I am showing you guys what it looks like, just in case you think it'll flatter your body type better than it does on me. Yeah. This one's a no. This one is the one that I'm really excited about. This is the 3-pack solid cross bikini swimsuit and fluid pattern beach skirt. That is only $12.99. So 3 pieces for $12.99. When I seen it on the model, I'm like, this is sexy. And probably the only like 2-piece I would wear because it, you know, it has a little skirt. So I'm like, sold. Let's go ahead and see what it looks like on me. I couldn't cross it anymore right here. It was choking me, and it wasn't the good kind of choke. But you guys can see the more you cross it, it lifts your boobs, and it looked really nice the more I pulled on it, but it's not comfortable. Like, you will be choked. Like, choke. Okay? The skirt, I love it. It hides the belly. This is what it looks like over on the back. I think it gives me beach vibes. Like this says Hawaii all over it. I love it so much. But wait, maybe you do like showing your belly and you don't mind showing it. You're not like me. Let me show you what it looks like. I'm gonna hide my belly, obviously, because I freaking hate it. I'm not comfortable. But this is what the two-piece looks like. The bottoms are really cute and cheeky. I love how my butt looks in this. Big fan. Big fan. 10 out of 10 recommend the bottoms. I don't know. I'm really, maybe I might get the courage to just take off that skirt on the beach. But I don't know. We'll have to see. You'll have to follow me over on Instagram. Now we're taking a look at the last swimsuit that I'm going to be reviewing for you guys. This is the Color Block Ring Detail Cutout Rouge Monokini, and this one is $11.99. It looks so cute. Again, it hides that muffin top that I don't want to show. I just thought it was sexy, and I'm like, sold. Now this is what it looks like on me. I love it. I felt so sexy. I felt like one of the girls that come out on that one show, what's that dating show that just came out on Netflix? Love Island. Yeah, I feel like I should be on one of the Love Island seasons. Shit, I might be. I'm gonna go on one of these dating shows, watch. This one is definitely gonna go with me over to Hawaii. But looking at the backside, like, I wanted that lift on the boobs, that it kind of lifted the bra strap in the back, so kind of have to work on that. The bottoms on the back, it has a ruching, so it kind of makes your butt like look a little bit bigger. This is what it looks like, and I am loving it. The little ring detail is everything. Those are all the swimsuits that I bought for Hawaii. I'm still like on the fence about a few of them that I'm like, should I take them or should I not? But please let me know down below in the comments which one is your favorite on me, so that I can just be set on the ones that I will be taking to Hawaii. And if you are from the island, I'm going to be going to Honolulu area. So if you guys are from there and you guys want to meet up and show me your island, I would love that. I would appreciate that, because I'm going to be all by myself. I'm nervously talking right now. I do have a lot of plans to go hiking, hopefully on a canoe, and snorkeling, and go to different places to try different foods. And I'm just so excited. I'm gonna go dancing somewhere. Why did I do the lasso? Again, I'm nervously talking. I'm nervous. If you guys enjoyed this video, please make sure you give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so already. And hopefully I do see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys. I forgot to mention in this video that every item that I reviewed in this video is going to be linked down below in my description box. And if you do decide to shop through my link, it supports me and my kids. I do earn commission, and I'm just very thankful for your guys' support.
Have you shopped with me yet? Go ahead and take a look. I have so many eyelashes, different styles to complement any occasion. I also sell eyelash glue. I have press-on nail sets that I hand paint with love myself. I sell press-on nail kits, which you can do your own DIY nails, or maybe you want to sell your own press-on nails. I have so much to offer on my website, so go ahead and visit www.sonadoraofficial.com.